And it's that time again. Welcome to Cram Time and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about the biggest flaw, the biggest mistake, and the most unfair thing about AP exams. And I want you guys to understand this, and we'll see if we can make something happen. Let's hop right into it. This will be a short video. I was talking to a friend the other day, someone really aware and smart. I was hit with an epiphany, a fatal flaw with AP exam scoring. Each exam has the potential to make college that much easier of a financial and intellectual burden, so this problem simply cannot be tolerated. AP exam grading just doesn't get the job done right. Let's say a 3 is what you need to pass and get college credit. You get your scores back. You've gotten a 2. One has to stop and think, this monumental difference between a 2 and a 3, no college credit and college credit, is in the hands of an uncontrolled variable. The grader could have been in a lousy mood, had an argument with the spouse, and not given the benefit of the doubt. Maybe you got a 3, but the grader was elated, or the essay before yours was horrid. It's unacceptable. To grade on such a general scale with uncontrollable variables is simply unfair. That is not right. It has to change. Just grade out of 100 points, College Board. Mood swings most likely won't drop a grade by 10 entire points, and with double-digit numbers from 0 to 100, more nuance is required. Just a thought. Alright guys, thank you for listening to this video. If you like what this channel's content is about, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.